So let's talk about the rain sensor and displaying the information on the OLED display. Okay, so this is the rain sensor when we put the water over here, or if we place this sensor near the in rain, actually it will automatically shows the output over here on this display that the rain is going on or not. So this sensor basically detects the rain, and if the rain will be there, so display is going to show that there is rain going on or not. Okay, so now this is our program. Okay, let me copy this program and upload this program to microcontroller. So when I upload this program to the microcontroller will start displaying that there is no rain or rain is going on or not. Okay, so let's wait for a minute. The program is uploading. So in serial monitor, it is showing that there is no rain. Now let me show you the connection in between them. So the plus VCC should be connected to the plus VCC. I mean V input and ground, and DO should be connected to the D4. Okay, you can either connect the DO, actually. DO will be better to connect. Okay, the display will be connected to D22 for SCL and D21 for SDA, and the ground should be connected to ground, and the VCC should be connected to 3 volt. Now, what about the libraries? So, libraries that we are going to this is also over here, which should be connected to where? Okay, so these libraries should be installed like Adafruit GFX library for the display only. It is not for the range sensor. It is only for the display. Adafruit SSD 1306 library. So these should be installed before the range sensor. Okay, this is the baud rate. Now let me go to the physical device and show you the output. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is our range sensor that is connected to the microcontroller, and microcontroller is already programmed for the display. So display is showing that there is no rain because there is no water over here. So let me put some water over here. So let me put some water over here. So when we put the water over here, so it is showing the rain is going on. Okay, rain detected. So when I will put the water, it is showing that rain is detected by the sensor. Okay, so we can also do that kind of practical. Have a nice day.